אתם לא חייבות! לא, אתם לא חייבות לעשות את זה! הבן שלי צריך להפשיט אותי פעם ממה...
Emotions are very high here because here you have a community established in 2001 with government support. The government of the state of Israel supported the residents to come up onto this hill. They gave them approximately 300,000 shekel for infrastructure, for sewage, for water, for electricity in order to settle this area. Now, several extremist organizations years later petitioned the High Court of Justice in Israel, organizations like Yesh Din and Shalom Achshav, Peace Now, claiming that they had an private Arab landowner. Now, that has never been proven in court. No owner has come forward and said, this is my land.
אביר, אתה לא יכול לעבוד מולנו. לא, אני פה, אתה עומד פה.